Listen carefully. I know that you are scrolling around YouTube looking for channel ideas for your new channel. Let me show you something. You won't believe how much this channel makes a month and how easy to get tons of views for videos like this. According to Social Blade, this channel makes around $5,800 a month. With the power of AI, creating a channel like this and creating videos like this is very simple. I will show you a step-by-step process to make a channel like this so that you can stop wasting your time and finally do something. First, we need a channel name and a description. You already know the answer. We can use ChatGPT for that. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask 10 name ideas for a horror story YouTube channel. We got some amazing name ideas. I would like to go with the name Fear Factory Files. I think it's unique and suitable for our channel. Now we need a description as well. Let's ask from ChatGPT again. We need a small description for a YouTube channel named Fear Factory Files regarding horror stories. As you can see here, within just a few seconds, we got a description exactly as we wanted. I love this AI. Now, we have a name and description for our channel. We need a logo and a banner image for the channel as well. I'm going to tell you about a free AI art generator. It's similar to Midjourney but easier to use. It's called Leonardo I. Let me show you how to generate a logo for our channel using this AI. You can sign up for this AI for free. As you can see here, all these arts are specific models. These can generate art with specific attributes. The first thing you need to do is select a suitable art generator. I'm going to go with this one. Then you can click and generate with this model. In this prompt bar, you need to type what type of logo you need. Add all the characteristics you want here. In this case, we need a scary, horror, red color, and ghost-related logo. After that, from this side menu, you can select the number of images you want this to generate, and you can change the dimension for your art. After all of these, hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your logos will be generated. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can generate them again. I like this one. I'm going to select this as a logo for our channel. Now, just like this, let's create a banner image as well. Like we did before, you can type the attributes you need for this. You can use your own imagination. I will use something that has a horror background, with a car. Something like this. After you generate the image, go to Canva. Using Canva, we can easily edit our cover image for YouTube. In the search bar, type YouTube banner. There are a lot of templates in Canva, we just need a simple banner. So I will select this one and let's customize it. First, I'm going to change the name of this title to Fear Factory Files. Then go to Uploads and upload the cover image we generated. You can add this image here, and then adjust the size according to this template. I don't like this background image. We can delete it and add a horror-looking image to this. Go to Elements and search for horror images. I think this one is suitable for our channel. Let's select it and add it as a background. Okay, now, we can download our cover image as well. The logo and banner are completed. Now, let's go to the most important part, which is creating content for our channel. I will teach you this process in 4 steps. First, how to generate a horror story. Second, how to generate voiceovers. Third, how to get images for this specific story. Finally, how to put it all together and edit the video. Let's start with the story. I think you already know these horror stories are made stories, right? These are not actually stories, so we can use ChatGPT to create these stories. Let's head over to ChatGPT and ask like this. Create a scary and realistic horror story for a YouTube video about a haunted house located in a forest that no one in the town goes near. 2 campers accidentally go to this house when they are camping in this forest. This is just one of my ideas. You can use your own imagination for this. As you can see here, ChatGPT gave us an amazing story regarding this topic. Next step is to generate voiceovers. I will use 11 Labs for that. It's text-to-speech AI generator. You can sign up for free. Let's head over to 11 Labs. If you go to these settings, there are several voices. For this story, I think a deep storytelling voice would be suitable. You can select a suitable voice from here and copy our story part by part and then generate the voice. It sounds like this.
Our story begins in a forest shrouded in mystery, where no one dares to tread. The haunted house, hidden deep within these woods, holds secrets that will chill you to the bone. Meet John and Sarah, two adventurous campers who, unaware of the sinister history, decided to camp here tonight. They thought it would be an ordinary camping trip. They couldn't have been more wrong.
You can do this for all stories and download all voiceovers. Now we need to generate some images related to this story. Again, I'm going to use Leonardo AI for this. Like we did before, select a suitable AI model to generate your images. I will select this one. Now we need to generate images suitable for each scene in our story. This will take some time. I will show a haunted house in a forest as our first image. You can type it in the font according to your story. Then for the next scene, I will show an image of two campers. For that, I will type like this. So just like this, you can generate images for all scenes using Leonardo AI. After you generate all voiceovers and images, it's time to edit all these and create our final output. For this process, you can download CapCut desktop version. It's a free video editing software. After you download it, you can follow these steps to make the final output. First, start a new project and select 16:9 ratio like this. Then, import all voiceovers and images that you generated. Now, drag the voiceover files to the timeline like this. Then add the images we generated suitable for each scene with voiceovers. It's a very simple drag and drop process. Then select transitions from the top menu. There are a lot of amazing transitions. You can select a suitable transition and add it in between two images like this. Do this for all images. Then, we need to add subtitles to this video. Go to text on the top menu and select auto captions from the side menu. Let's select English from here and generate captions within a few seconds. This will generate all the captions we need. Now we can edit its size, color, and fonts from this side menu. We can add different types of text effects as well. Play with these settings and make your captions better. You can add text animation to this as well. Go to Animations and select a suitable animation for your captions. After you edit all the captions and images, you can export the video. With this method, you can create at least 5 videos per day. You can start this process from today and create your own channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I hope you enjoy the video. If you think this video is valuable, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will upload 3 to 4 new videos per week. So keep in touch and don't miss the new opportunities. See you in the next video. This is the final output.
Our story begins in a forest shrouded in mystery, where no one dares to tread. The haunted house, hidden deep within these woods, holds secrets that will chill you to the bone. Meet John and Sarah, two adventurous campers who, unaware of the sinister history, decided to camp here tonight. They thought it would be an ordinary camping trip. They couldn't have been more wrong.